Hello, and welcome to the Metro MLS webinar reviewing Market Area Summary in FlexMLS. In this webinar, we'll review what the Market Area Summary is and how to use it. So let's begin. So to access Market Area Summaries, you go to Menu, and underneath the My Market Area section, you click on Market Area Summaries. Now, before you can use the Market Area Summary, you have to have at least one market area defined. If you're not sure what that is, you can review the video webinar showing you how to do that. Okay, so I've got some defined there, so I'm just going to click on Market Area Summary. What Market Area Summary does is it shows me my saved market areas all in one screen where I can see the activity on them. Now you can do a maximum of 5 market areas. And again, what a market area is if there's sections of the city or any area that you want to keep track of activity on for a particular property type, anything that you can define in the search, you can do that. Okay, so this is my market area summary showing my 4 market areas. I've got a market area saved for Bayview, Indorus Park, River West Condos, and for Washington and Ozaukee County's vacant land. So here I can basically go in and it updates every 24 hours. So I can see any new activity, that's the N, any sold activity, that's the S, any pending activity, that's the P, anything that expired, extended, price change is the $, BOM is back on market, W is withdrawn, and T is text change. Those are the events that you can choose to track. Now you'll notice that I have 0 for some and then these little dashes. If there's a dash, that means that I didn't select that activity to track for that market area. If there's a 0, that means I did select that activity to track, but there's just no data to show. Okay, so here there's one new for my Bayview area. So I can click on it from this screen and it'll take me out to the search results screen to view that listing. There we go. It's a little pokey today. All right. So Market Area Summary lets me see all of my market areas at one time with their activity and click on them from that screen. You can do the same thing from market areas if you choose. So if you're in here and you happen to create a market area, there's a button in here that you can click to go right to that market summary screen if you'd like to do that. And I'll show you that as soon as the screen loads. All right, there we go. So here's the 4 market areas, and this is where you would create the market area that we just viewed over in that market summary. So when you highlight the market area, again, there's those events that you track, and then there's that button, View Market Summary, and that will take you over to that market area summary screen. This will conclude our tutorial for Market Area Summary in FlexMLS.